Okay, page 9, same thing. I'll walk through the steps for anybody that feels like they still need this support. Let's see, so this one, draw a transversal through both lines, or the point in a line. Put this on, call this point A. Then this will be point X. So put this on A, make an arc, and then using the same measure, put it on X, and make the same arc. B and Q is point T. Okay. Then flipping this upside down, I'm going to measure Q to B. Then put it on T, make the same mark. This call R. And then XR is parallel to AB. Repeat. Right, this is X. And then I'm measuring the distance between Q and B. And putting it on T, making the same work. BR. Then connect the dots between X and R. I'm flipping this upside around. Okay, and then on the bottom of this page there is a couple practice ones. It says construct a segment or angle bisector for each segment or angle. So we're going to make an angle bisector here. And then for this segment, we're going to do a perpendicular bisector. So for angle bisector, which we just did on the other page, we make an arc that goes through both rays. And then from, I'll call this B and C. From B, make a mark, and then from C, make a mark, and then we connect this to this. Angle CAQ, congruent to angle QAB. Then for perpendicular bisector, I'm just going to choose a length. It has to be greater than 1/2 for it to like be able to meet up here. Make a mark like this, and then from this point make the same mark, then go below, and here. Then connect your dots.